Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Nurin Iman Kairina binti Noridwan and my ID number is 502-222-6068. And today, I am very excited to present my computer programming project, Rina's Cafe Food Ordering System you developed using C++. Okay, let's start with the project overview. Rina's Cafe System is a console-based application designed to digitalize the ordering process. The core features include displaying a detailed food and beverage menu, allowing users to select items while calculating charges and automatically applying multi-type discount based on customer categories. To build the system, we applied fundamental C++ concepts such as input and output operation, conditional statement, loops, and basic file handling. Next, we're moving on to the system overview. This console application simplifies purchase order by handling item names, quantities, price, and supplier information automatically. It helps small business reduce manual paperwork by storing purchase record digitally. The main target audience is small cafe owners who want to streamline their procurement, but it also serves as a great functional model for educational purposes to show how programming solves real-life problems. Next, potential use and applicability. Why is this system useful? First, for F&B operations, it is perfectly tailored for small-scale businesses like Rina's Cafe, food stalls, or student canteens to move away from manual writing. Second, it improves operational efficiency. It ensures accurate billing by preventing calculation mistakes when totaling prices or applying discounts. On top of that, it helps the owner track daily sales because customer receipts are instantly saved into a text file. Lastly, it proves that basic C++ concept can solve business issues and the code is highly adaptable for future upgrades like table bookings. Now, let's take a look at the flowchart. When the program starts, it displays the menu. The user will input their selection and the system checks if the code is valid. If yes, the user enters the quantity and the subtotal is added to the grand total. Next, the system asks if they want to add more food. If yes, it's a loop bags. If no, it proceeds to the category input. If the customer is a student, they get a 10% discount. If staff, they get 15% discount. Finally, the final total is calculated and the official receipt is displayed and the data is saved into the external file before the program ends. Now, let's look at the coding section for our project. In this program, we apply basic C++ concepts that we have learned in our lectures. First, for the ordering process, we use a do-while loop so the customer can continuously add the items. To store the items name, quantities, and calculated prices, we implemented parallel arrays. This allows the program to save multiplex data point under the same index number. For the database part, we use file handling concept. We open and output file stream using offstream to automatically save and append every final bill into a text file named totalsales.txt. Right after that, we use an input file stream, each stream together with a while loop and a get line to read all the petrol section data from the text file and print it back clearly on the terminal screen. This proves that our file operations are working perfectly. So this is the terminal screen when we press the button compile and run for this code. In conclusion, the Rena's Cafe ordering system was successfully implemented. It achieved all its objectives by providing a continuous, menu-driven interface and automating billing accurately. For future enhancement, this project serves as a strong foundation. It can be upgraded later to include a graphical user interface, GUI, dynamic database, or sale analytics to make it even more robust. That is all from me and thank you for your time.